small calculator icon in the upper right corner of the SAT Bluebook app can do magic. You can use it to make music, paintings, games, and more. This painting is made of parabola equations and sliders, and this Mario game uses functions to determine his path. You can discover this cool stuff after your SAT exam, but now let's focus on how you can use the calculator to boost your score. This is a real SAT question. You're asked to find the value of t for which the system of two equations has no solutions. You can certainly calculate the slopes to solve this question the school way, but let's see how you can use the SAT calculator to your advantage here. No solution means the lines are parallel. You can graph both lines, then add a slider for t. Remember, this is what you're solving for. Play with t till the second line is parallel to the first. When t is 8, the lines are exactly parallel. I'm Aya Saneh, a certified SAT instructor at SetOut. Join my SAT calculator session to learn how to let the calculator solve the difficult math questions for you. You can save time and score higher.